Hi, I'm Tom with the FCB Launch channel, and in this video I will show you two very useful macros for use in the Draft Workbench. This is an addendum to the FreeCAD Intermediate course that I released, and if you follow that course, you remember that at this point of creation of the garage floor plan, I had these two rectangles which I wanted to downgrade to individual lines so I could cut them. And I would have to first downgrade them into edges and then select each of the edge and upgrade the edge into the line. So this is quite tedious process. And one of the FreeCAD users, Chris, was kind enough to share two of his macros which help with these tedious tasks that we encountered in the tutorial. So let's check out these macros. I have already installed them under macros and macros. These are shape all draft line and shape 2D draft line. So I will close it now. So if I want to downgrade this rectangle into individual lines or wires and upgrade them to lines, instead of doing it in 7 steps, I can just select the rectangle and then go to macros, and I used it recently, so I will use this shape 2D draft line. If I click it, you can see that these 4 lines were created. So this is really cool. So I just select the rectangle and use the macro, and it does the job. So it's quite often in the Draft Workbench that you want to work with lines. So this is quite useful, and you can break into lines also polylines or wires, and also you can select several objects. So if I select these two and use the macro, it works on both of those objects. So this is really nice macro. Now the second macro helps with another step, which was I wanted to split these lines into segments, which then I could either delete or move between layers. And to do that, I was actually using this split tool, but I had to use it repeatedly. So I had to split this one and then fire it up again and then split it again. And I had to do it all around the project. So this second macro automates this. So if I select all of these lines here and I fire up the macro, so recent macros, and it's this split all draft line, I fire it up, it splits all of the lines by the selected line. So you can see that now I have this line, this line, this line, this line. You have to be careful about the selection, but you can see that it sped up the work quite rapidly. So now I can select these. You have to be careful about the selection. I don't want to select these two lines because these would cut also this line, which I may or may not want, but here I will use these. So now these are again split. You can see it. Now I will make the selection like so, and then also control select this one and use the macro, and you can see that it split all of the lines, and for instance I could delete these quite easily now. So these two macros are really nice for working in the Draft Workbench, or also if you are using draft objects as a basis of your BIM objects. Now to install these macros on your computer, Chris was kind enough to share them in the FreeCAD forum, so I will link these two macro discussions in the description box below this video. And now when you are in FreeCAD, you will go to macro and open macros, and the macros should be saved in this location. So you will download those macros from the FreeCAD forum, extract them, and then you want to paste them here. So you would open the folder, and you can see that I've got these two macros placed here. So now if you then close the macros and open it again, they should be available, these two. And if you use them, after you have used them, they will be under this recent macros menu. So thank you goes to Chris Crusoe for creating and sharing these useful macros. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.